I'm getting out my Christmas stuff and cannot stand all of these little whatever they are. It's time for my Veralex. This thing is so helpful. It's lightweight, fully aluminum, full blow on one side, full vacuum on the other. And if you have difficulty seeing, you can light it up as well. It also has some other lighting options. Here's where your power indicator is. It is a USB-C charge. So it has a nice hold time. It has all kind of lighting options as well. Here's my favorite part. It is one touch. Hold this button down and it will blow out this side so I can really get that stuff all piled in one direction. Then once I get it piled up, I just turn it from the blow side. The opposite side is a built-in vacuum. So you have for 2 for 1. So I'm just going to turn it around, push the same exact button, and done. Isn't that crazy? It's so easy to use. In addition to collecting all of these really annoying little pieces just on its own, it has so many convenient attachments. If you need to get into like a car, I use this on our like silverware drawer. You can just pop that attachment into the vacuum side. Fits nice and snug, and then you have your extension to go wherever you want, and it does collect everything in here, or you can just use it without, which is super convenient also. It also has a number of really itty bitty tips, so you have so much flexibility to kind of get into where you want. On the other side, from a blow perspective, you've got so many small tipped options. These are fantastic for little areas like your keyboards and the crevices of cars. It's got just such a variety of choices and tools. The one thing I would say I did learn is this thing comes attached when you buy it. On the below side, it's a screw in. If this is installed, the vacuum side doesn't really work that well. So just take the second to take this off, and then you'll have full access to the blower side and the vacuum side, and full ability to screw in any of your blowing pieces or insert any of your vacuum pieces. It took me a minute to figure that out.
And here's an example of it in motion when it's a vacuum. I use this on our silverware drawer. I don't know why so many little pieces or crumbs or whatever collect in there. I guess when you just are going and grabbing things, but so easy and convenient to really just very quickly clean out small areas with these attachments. And empty it just as easy as well. You just pull it off, take out the filter, and that quickly it collected all of these crumbs out of our silverware drawer. Super easy to wipe, maintain, keep moving. Love the convenience. So I guess my favorite thing overall, it has blow, it has vacuum on the other side. So easy to hold, so easy to grip. I love that I can just grab it, get what I need done, throw it back away, and it's super impactful, super strong, super heavy, and super easy to use. Hope that helps. If it does, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.